Let me start with a backdrop. See, the job market has evolved significantly from the industrial era that was like 1950s to 1970s to the electronic computer hardware and software boom that was there from mid 80s to say 2024. The industrial era and the electronic and the computer era, actually, both of this actually brought in millions of jobs across the globe and India year on year. And now with the emergence of artificial intelligence, robotics, machine learning, job demand has significantly decreased, resulting in limited opportunities, particularly for young budding professionals. You need to be an expert to survive today. Industry is in major transformation, so don't waste your time and money in courses that don't really add value for you to get a job. Hi, my name is Farooq Qureshi. I'm the chairman and managing director for Cybermetrics India and the CEO for Solus Informatics Private Limited. I'm here to advise and track one of the best streams for a best stream with an excellent growth path for the budding professionals and for the beginners who are struggling to get a job in India and Middle East. This course that I'm going to advise is tailored for beginners, graduates, and final year students from any field to start their career in the project management department, to work with the PMO, the project management office, or to work with the planning departments, or to work with the project management department itself. CAPM is the buzzword. CAPM Certified Associate in Project Management is an international project management certification for freshers, beginners, or people from other fields who would like to venture into project management department. Remember, CAPM is an international certification from PMI that adds value, that adds great value to your resume. CAPM is where you learn about the concepts, the fundamentals of project management, and you learn how to walk through the project step by step from initiation to closing in a very systematic and professional approach. Throughout this course, you will actively explore and apply generative AI techniques. Along with CAPM, if you undergo training in Primavera or MS Project Planning tools, this combination will get you a job in the AEC or the EPC industry. AEC stands for Architectural Engineering Construction, and EPC stands for Engineering, Procurement and Construction. On the other hand, along with CAPM, if you undergo training in tools like Jira or Rally, you can look out for jobs in the software industry, IT industry, the healthcare projects. Software projects, they use tools like Jira or Rally in place of Primavera. So the CAPM training program that we offer will be a 3-week online instructor-led training with all the classes being recorded, and the recording will be shared with the attendees for their future reference and self-paced learning. If you need further information about CAPM, please visit our website solusinformatics.com or get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number +91 9848044870. Thank you so much.